still March. I'm in a t-shirt. I mean, it's really warm. Let's go out and have a look. That's Enfield Dry Dock. Remember, we were talking about leaks coming down here. And the reason the leaks are coming down here is because of the deck being a bit funny. So here's the bit that's problematic. That is all just dried up sealant. From here to the drain point there, so somewhere along here the water is getting in. Ew. Well, it's cleaner, but I need to clean all this stuff. Oh, look how far it went out. Oh God, it's everywhere. Why they put the plate only up to there and then go all the way to that, I don't understand. But anyway, I'm going to leave that sealant there and it can live entombed. Hey, that piece of angle iron in there is going to be not a challenge, just a pain in the butt, because the angle iron is obviously dead straight and then there's rising and troughing here. So there'll be a lot of filling. And then at the end it seems a bit quite high, because I think, yeah, that's where the high point is. So if I cut it there, and then it'll settle down, and then I weld that bit where I cut. Come on, there we go. Okay, so that might do a little curve. Feels like that is the point at which we're going to cut here. Curve that to allow the water to go out there. Oh, okay, might actually change all of that. Move you up a bit. Get that curve to carry down there. Get that curve to go that way. And we've got a little curve there. Nice. Welding nicely in there. If I'm welding above, a piece of molten steel might drip down into my tank and put a hole in it. So I'm going to move it away. Oh, hi there. It's a lovely day. And we're going to move. For this trip, normally I have the mast resting on these blocks. But as you can see, I still have another couple of inches to go. So on this occasion I'm going to lower it right down, just in case I need to get under a bridge and it's a bit tight. So it's right down now. That is higher than the mast. Excellent. Way up there, there's a boat coming out of the lock. Hopefully they keep the doors open. This might be an incredibly short journey. Well, as in, we don't fit under this bridge. I'm going in super slow. Answer is going to be no. Oh, that little trick the Dutch use. Oh, dear God. Is this going to stay the same all the way through? No consistencies. Still at a mill. Literally that's it. There is no mortar. So it goes in the concrete. Oh. Of casting, will it drop down or go up? Looks like it's dropping down. Let's see what happened here back in the day. Oops, that's a little bit of bridge there. Now this is where I think yeah, we do have that option. Bit of power. Power, 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 power. Yes, that's how it works. Drops down. Oh, whoever gave me that piece of advice, well done. Another way of fixing this is fill the tank up with 800 litres of water, 800 kilos, drop down. So at least I know I can get on with that one. How further are we going to be able to go? Anyway, we're in the lock. Yeah, I think we'll stop the smoke. Better. Okay, let's climb up here. Oop, before we float away. And of course, with all the excitement, I'm up here, but my windlass is down there. Guess I could jump. Okay, I did jump. What else do I need? Drink of water. Nice. He's making a nest.
absolutely do not want to meet another boat. That way to the gun factory. If memory serves me, I think this one is taller than what we've just been through, so I don't think it's going to be an issue. But we'll only find out when we get there. It says 1835. Oh, ancient lost. This is the M25, and which is the orbital road that goes around London, so you're really very much outside of London once you go under this bridge. I think what I'm going to do is just moor up just over there. I can moor Georgia and the other things. I was going to moor there, but it's not obvious how I'm going to tie Linda up, and I think there's a mooring just around the corner. Hopefully there is. Let's see what happens. Not really much space there. Let's let it down and go back. Successfully. So Linda's rudder is turning in reverse, which is a rare feat if you're on an airboat. It's actually working. You can watch now. You can see the boat is starting to turn the other way. Linda, you can reverse when there's there's no wind. So for round 2, I'm bringing this boat along with me as well. Well done, Kate. Hello. All the welding that I did resulted in a lot of bubbles. Ew, my gloves. I should put my finger back in my glove. Oh no, my finger's escaping. There. It's actually been protecting the metal quite well. So as you can see there, oh no, it's nothing wrong with it. To continue its protection, I need to clear this mess. And here you can see there's a bit of all along here. It's nice crunchy. It's nice and crunchy, but look at the metal. Clear all of this off and paint it properly. I don't want it to fall into the canal, so I'm gingerly going to pick it off. Dark. Oh, smells very, very burnt. But look at the steel. Absolutely shiny. Alright. Now you can see the welding here. Okay, and that's all done. Well, that's lovely. Let's go. Oh no, you don't. There's all the paint. All of it. None of it got into the canal. Into the bin. Oh!